Morning, everyone. I'm Jinky Dakay from SIT Blackwood. So today we will be discussing the ZAP. Find a website where you can check for vulnerabilities using ZAP by checkmarks. Then create a video demonstration explaining the types of attacks you detected and the solutions. So first, go here to the ZAP and the automated scan. Tapos yung URL to attack, yung nating website, which is the VP College. Copy lang natin yan. Heads up. Ah, bakit ba na-copy natin? Oo na. So, ito. Attack na natin. Tayo lang natin. Tapos, punta tayo sa alert. Itong first vulnerable JS library. Ito yung may iris. Wait lang, naglalag. Okay. The unidentified library moment JS version 2.18.1 is vulnerable sa mga attacks and sa mga hacker. So the solution is please upgrade the latest version of moment.js. Susunod naman is itong content security policy header not set to. Ang content security policy is an added layer of security that helps to detect and mitigate certain types of attacks including cross-site scripting, XSS, and data injection attacks. These attacks are used for everything from data theft to site defacement or distribution of malware. CSP provides a set standard HTTP headers that allow website owners to declare approved sources of content that browsers should be allowed to load on that page. Covered types are JavaScript, CSS, HTML frames, fonts, images, and editable objects such as Java applets, ActiveX, audio, and video files. The solution here is ensure that your web server, application, server, load balancer, etc. is configured to set the content security policy header. Ito namang susunod is cross-domain misconfiguration. Yung cross-domain configuration on the website server permits cross-domain read requests from arbitrary third-party domains. Using an authenticated APIs on this domain, web browser implementations do not permit arbitrary third parties to read the response from authenticated APIs. However, this reduces the risk somewhat. This misconfiguration could be used by an attacker to access data that is available in an authenticated manner. So, mga unauthenticated na is ma-access niya yung mga data available. So, yun. But which uses some other form of security such as IP address whitelisting. So, ang solution natin dito is ensure that sensitive data is not available in an authenticated manner. Configure the access control allow origin HTTP reader to a more restricted set of domains, or remove all CORS or CORS headers entirely to allow the web browser to enforce the same origin policy SOP in a more restrictive manner. So, ito namang missing anti-clickjacking header. Modern solution is modern web browsers support the content security policy and frame options HTTP headers. Ensure one of them is set on web pages returned by your site app. If you expect the page to be framed only by pages on your server, then you'll want to use same origin. Otherwise, if you never expect the page to be framed, you should use deny. Alternatively, consider implementing content security policies, frame ancestors directive. Itong hidden file found. Ang solution dito is consider whether or not the component is actually required in a production. If it isn't, then